How to find a Chipotle near you and check store hours. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on pick up from at the top right, or you can click on delivery from at the top right as well if you have one. After you click on it, you'll find all these options pop up. Now, simply search city, state, or zip code. Then you'll find all these options nearby your location. Then you can select one to view store hours. Simply select, and then you'll find Monday to Sunday and the time at the bottom. In this way, you can see store hours of all the stores. And this is how to find a Chipotle near you and check store hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.